Everything else, it varies according to the detail we're putting through. Whether it's mounted or unmounted. It's mounted in pewter, which is another change in color metal. It doesn't rust and doesn't stink. It's mounted in 9.25 sterling silver, and it's mounted onto a baloney shell. Those three mountings will be the determination of the cost of the piece if you found something that you might want to. Process is that right now I have too much going on to start removing any one of these shells. So what I'm going to show you is the download. I'll give you a short download on what takes place. You know what you're going to do with your knuckles. You know where your knuckle points are at. Wow. And because on the knuckles you have an 1/8 and a 1/16 of an inch of white. Behind that, you take a thin coat off the top, and then there's an 1/8 and a 1/16 of white. You are the artist. You're supposed to read that shell and pull the picture out of that shell in your own mind. Once that's done, you take a thin coat off the top. Then you draw your picture on it. Once you read it, then you draw what you're gonna.
Are you the artist?
Yes, I am a master carver and I'm a teacher and I teach the art. Once you draw your picture on there, you put your diamond tip bit on the Dremel tool, like I was telling you. You start removing your lines. The same way you put it on there, you remove your lines. You know where your high points are going to be. You read the shell. You know where you're going to have your 1/8 and a 1/16. You know where it's going to drop to a 16. So don't put nothing that you're not going to. Let's say you want to do 3 dimensions. Don't put it in your valleys. Put it on top, and it can't be long because you only have about this much of that 1/8 and a 16. So you can put see, for instance, the shell that's behind you. This is 3rd dimensional right here. 1, 2, 3 dimensions. You can look at that. Read in the valley. You know where your bite is going to be solid, but you chase your dimensions as you're going on. That's around the knuckles. Around the knuckles is high points, but you shave it down to where you're going to do it, and to where you want it level to your liking, and then you apply your picture.
Now you're in an aquarium and they're on the outside. Bear in mind that the fish that you're seeing here, they're all juvenile sizes. Okay? You're not going to see any big, huge fish here unless he lost the direction. But otherwise, they're all juvenile size. We have a great variety of corals. Find a lot of the striped ones are sergeant mares. And then you got the blue ones, lories are blue tags. We got some tuna in there now, don't see any yet, some snappers. Yeah, we got dory, but don't need one because he was a clownfish. Yeah, not from this water. Yeah, on the left hand side there's a virgin fish. There's a batch here of dories and fish. Then you got angel fish here, you got these color ones. Parrotfish, the blue one here on the right hand side. The fish that have more than like 3 different colors, those are the parrotfish, blue with pink or something in yellow. And those are the ones responsible to create like a ton of sun per year. Because they eat the algae off the coral, and each time they poop, that keep adding. Okay? The beautiful white sand. Where are the water taxis to go to West Bay, the famous beach. But due to the weather today, they don't have didn't even see this. I couldn't see it.